welcome to Bumby. Super excited to be back. I know I've been missing for a little bit, and I want to wish you all a happy 2019. Okay guys, let me tell you why I've been missing. One, I've been cleaning, organizing, decorating my living room. I've been purging. I got to do my butler's closet. I've been working on that. And also, I don't know, some of you know that I haven't been driving for the past 3 years. And I said to myself, before the year's over, I'm going to get back on the road. So my car had been sitting for 2 years, guys. Don't ever do that. What a mistake was just to let it sit there for 2 years. So it broke down, so the mechanic had to fix it. I had to get a new battery. I had to get a bunch of new parts. I had to get 4 new tires, a new oil filter. I even had to get the blades for the wishy-washy, you know, the blades, because those were destroyed. So yeah, but I got the car all ready to go, and I've been running around town, yeah. And that fear that I had, that's the reason why I stopped driving, because I had started having like nightmares like 3 or 4 years ago that I was going to die in a car accident. And the nightmares were the same ones over and over again. So it kind of freaked me out to drive. But I'm over the fear. I'm okay. I've been driving all over town, and it feels great to be independent again. Okay guys, so I just came back from Target, and let me show you what I just got. A Dollar Spot Target haul. I'm really excited because I got a lot of things that I wanted. There's only one thing that I got, that I got this tray for the ornament here for my living room, and it's really, really nice. And this was $5. But I didn't want any writing on it. And guys, this is the last one left. So I thought that I have like a creamy color paint, so I'm just going to paint over it. So I wanted to have my remote controls here and a little bit of home decor, and I wanted to put it on my ornament. So, but that's okay. I will paint that. I also got, guys, look at this. I got essential oils. These were only $1 a piece. They only had these two, which is lavender and cedar wood, were the only two left. Okay, I also got these bowls for everyday use. And they're plastic, but they're microwave and dishwasher safe. I love the teal color, and these were on clearance for 79 cents each. So I went ahead and got 4 of them. Then for $1 a piece, I got these little birds. Look how cute, guys. And these were $1 a piece. And they had them in like a dark navy, I think a turquoise, and this color. So I went with this color. And then I also got, are you ready for this? Because this is so exciting. Okay, I got these for $1, and I got the chalkboard labels. I've been looking for these for months, so I can put labels in a lot of different stuff in my kitchen and in my pantry. They don't have like a pretty shape to them. They're just a big square, but I can also cut them and make them a little smaller. And then guys, look at this. I got these cloth napkins, and these were $3, and you get 4 of them. Look how cute. Love them. And then I got the matching runner, as you can see. And this one was $3. So super excited for these. And then I got these leather napkin rings, okay? And they say family. And they come 4 of them for $3 to put on these. Okay, and then I got, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I got this banner. I haven't seen anyone haul this yet. So this must have just came in. If you can see, it's a wooden banner that says home, and then the O has a little wreath. And that was $3. And that is it, guys. I was looking for the 2-tier trays that I've seen other people haul here on YouTube, but I didn't have any luck with those. Couldn't find any. So we're going to have to go maybe in the next couple of days to another Target. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.